Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Felix Apia political zone ena oka say. Na nesema oka ina ne say eye say His Excellency Oman Penida John Dramani Mahama ede apacho kese pa ema Eliminafuo se otumi ebie na no eka say eye Elimina fishing Harbour na ebe abekoso no eye Sakawa promise enya de betumi amba so because ebeka ya NDC for mo say His Excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado ena na busuafo no omo ebu amembu no omo ye achim mafias achim Sakawa. It is Oman Pendada Emasa statement na him said definitely na or refer to His Excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado. Na Felix HS ende Oman Pendada when you poto nti bra out na ba pachaw. One can say Ghana for who left from all right. Sa wumbo ena wona mu na wo twayampia wayampia obeto bi azonim. Na na enti Felix e kan say na say ebeka ya enche bia na nsenya ena His Excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado. Ekopiem ewo Elimina na de okoye wo ho ne se fishing Harbour fe dofo ena etwagu screen nsi okosima Eliminafuo kwakobia no na wo bie no ohe ne crossing because na nije abro so se wo mo atwen ache ye kapa de anka Central Region ye ne yan gold ye ni bi timber ye ni bi bauxite ye ni bi de ye wa ye nam ntinka Harbour de anka nya na wo Central Region ye ni ba kumpu ye ni enti His Excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado ababesi Harbour de ene ye ni age ya asem keto akra na enam so ena Felix say Oman Penida John Dramani Mahama esan se onia ni so ade hunti His Excellency promises obesi Harbour ede ama Eliminafuo pe o se Sakawa na enda abasu ya na nado akobie a ohenkura tumi esu de say His Excellency Oman Penida John Dramani Mahama ebe patron yenti nsema Felix ede etudwa Felix Apia ena oka say and I quote, "We are waiting for Bole Bamboy Killer Alomi to come out and apologize to Ghanaians and especially the people of Elimina for calling this project Sakawa. It is very sad that due to politics, we don't keep these liars accountable and they take the people for a joke. If not, what will a former president with the worst record come again to stand for elections and he actually got support? Nana Bawumia government is talk and do not nettle like some think." In some way, Felix Apia political zone ede outudra afanano eye His Excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado Elimina Harbour a okobie ede ema omo ehonsem aye bebre na Felix say His Excellency Oman Pendada John Dramani Mahama emme pacho because of a project no Sakawa.
We a special quick announcement. Man say Joy News for any NDC for Eden Trokes Yebi Tonanado Abain no so. Na me pese me show evidence no be a kind be. No unti no me twan Chairman Drew. Na me ne Chairman Drew na beba. Mesremo. Na me ne Chairman Drew na beba. Ye den nsem no beto ho. Na me ka kire obi ase NDC ye nkrofo bi a mamo maye mo kwan wo Ghana kuro we mu bio after the na me de be kire no ma obia nsuma ne ba se onkodi NDC sa political party no achi bio kwese asamoa sa for loans na enu hunti NDC for person wo de ye gidigidi be ka se sebe yakoji collateral no bra kofi. Those loans were all loans that one of them per President Kufuor Ejeye. 3 of them were by NDC government. The 4 loans, no, 3 NDC government. They are President Kufuor, dear Bako. Mesremo. Obi anko frefre your political zone phone na Brakofi. Otoven. You guys will stick here exactly 11 o'clock. If I do about 3 Ghana time. Yedinini na baby go. Brakofi, from what I'm going to show today, people will see how NDC gave everything that we have just so they could get small loans. We are going to go into it. And near my NDC, and now loan in Ketenketi or mobile gintino, omade or my eja padie akoje. Na ye we are, ya sheniama, a ye a kufuado aban we buy a ye a japadi a ye Ghana dia, or no so dia koji loan, and also dia koji BB. You better compare nina. Now, Bragofi, today I promise everyone who is going to watch me today, whatever would be delivered, Bragofi, we shall have the facts to back it. Now, Bragofi, I think that a time has come and some started the local platforms are. Make me NDC for no 1-1. A break yum. I want those matches, no. We need microphone share. I really need that. May get it ready. Chairman Drew so get it ready. 11 sharp. We are coming back. Stay right here. Man, come baby. I'm. What the other call control the moment it is 3 o'clock Ghana time, come here. The moment it is 3 o'clock time, come right here. Say asem no mo beka omo nye research who say ade we kro mo kohwe kira omo say ye nia o. How the hell do you use 4 of the loans now you're talking about, no? 3 were by Mills Mahama. 2 Kesie Akakrake 2 Mahama and a BGD ye. And the Chinese for be go and then we na Kaya sign contract ya yam fagan and near human, not Chinese ni do only Chinese ni na baba be juma. I will show all of you that. You are able to report. Near what this man has done to this country. Give me exactly, let's say 15 minutes. We all shall be gathered here together, cause and then say I make a person more kind. In the same be like in kind of your cast, your kind of fire, no there be, you be fire, but the person who really be. Now who what NDC is made up of. No, China one small back, be so on.
As for Santa for dear, would you go to your crime on Mokrana and your mofe? And I am calling was free education, no. Ediania de momono, me clammy grandy, eh? Abosum kuna war, a muntesutie, a more ble, codenna, what dana, juna wunyana, code butu yem. And net dear, yet the gun is sick show banny school cakintin will be so banny a clammy, because on no Mahama mano. Woman did this no cre. Na sabe Mahama and Krama no cra, German shepherd the moano, woman